It's amazing how these old Ford Mazda engines sound like wooden, yeah. The hydraulic lifters have like a wooden sound to them, and it's just terrifying, like, just to listen to that, see the 4 cams right in front of you, the timing belts, knowing they had oil starvation and stuff like that. These cars cook the oil in the heads, and amazing car though, like, it's all pretty original, isn't it? That's the Mazda with the 4-wheel steering, the 626. It's got a small power steering leak and stuff, but otherwise, what a great car this was, eh? I just thought I'd make a video about that. And I just had another one in a Mazda 6. It's too soon to make a video, but basically Mazda 6, the newer ones, 5-6 years old, 70,000 Ks. If the steering goes heavy one way or the other, he was quoted $4,000 somewhere else. So I've told him to get rid of it, but if he's going to bring it in next week, I'll make a video. But yeah, hear that? So that's lifters, and there you go. I was about to say, when the oil warms up, it'll go away, and it just went away. So I'm not going to go with a thinner oil today because summer's coming, and this car's got 230,000 Ks on it. But that's what the video was about. That wooden knocking noise. You can purge them with the right oil and holding the revs at 1800 and stuff, but they seem to always reoccur on these engines. I think this engine was in the Ford Probe, Ford Telstar, Mazda Estina. The Estina had a 2-litre version of this V6. The Telstar TX5 had a 2.5. This is a 2.5. Anyway, that's what it's about, the wooden knocking noise. And, oh, it's nearly coming back. But I wouldn't recommend going and putting in flushers and stuff like that. It does, you know, they do need to warm up. You can hear it from the front bank now, coming and going. But yeah, you don't want to have critically low oil pressure. You want to make sure your oil pressure's all right. In these, this one's all right. It's just the nature of the car. Anyway, see ya.